Big Pharma is making us pay twice for many of the medicines we buy. We pay first when research funded by our taxes is given to corporations to develop new drugs. More than $39 billion spent by US taxpayers every year, a further $28 billion spent by European taxpayers. Add to that what taxpayers in Japan, China, India, South Korea, Australia and Canada are paying, and we're talking around $100 billion in taxpayer-funded research every single year, in government research institutes and in public universities. But our support doesn't end there. Around the world, public hospitals are used to conduct clinical trials. So that means our doctors, nurses, and patients themselves are all contributing to the development of these new drugs. And our governments give hefty tax breaks to these corporations that are already rolling in cash. And as a further sweetener, governments often grant corporations special privileges, giving them fast-track safety, quality, and efficacy review, allowing them to make more money sooner. We pay again when we buy these medicines, either as individuals, through our insurance or social security. And pharmaceutical corporations are charging increasingly higher prices for medicines that wouldn't have even been possible without our contributions as taxpayers. That's because our governments just give away this research, grant the corporations monopolies, without even asking what did we already pay to invest in the development of these products, and how do we make sure that they're affordable and accessible. Our contribution as taxpayers is rendered invisible. High medicine prices lead to rationing, and even in wealthy countries now, people are unable to afford many of the medicines they need. This isn't right. We can't change this all in one day, but there are two things we can do right now to set us on the right track. First, we need real transparency. Make Big Pharma tell us what it really costs to develop and produce drugs so that we know what a fair price should be. Second, the public pay, so the public should have a say. If drug corporations are using research funded by our taxes, then we as the public should have a say in making sure that those medicines are affordable and accessible to everyone in need. Share this message and tell your leaders we won't pay twice for medicines anymore.